Today, we will understand what are variables. Variables represent the memory of the data that keeps changing during the execution. For example, let me say that A is equal to 100. Later on, the A can also change to A plus 25. So the value, whatever was there inside the A earlier, it kept on changing during the execution. What are constant? Constants represent that whatever the value you add in it, that doesn't change at any point of time during the execution. So if you don't want to change the value, whenever you declare some value inside of the variable, you have to declare it as final. So whatever the value is stored in over there will not be changed during the execution. Next is data types. Data type defines what type of data is being stored inside the variables. Now, there are two types of data types. One is primitive data type and another one is non-primitive data type. Primitive data types are predefined data types like, let us say, Boolean, character, byte, integer, float, double. What are these? We'll learn. Non-primitive data types are the data types which are not predefined. They are created by the programmers, for example, strings, arrays, and classes. Let us understand about the Boolean. Boolean represents the value, whether it is true or whether it is false. For example, if I say 4 is greater than 3, so what will be the output? It would be true. So if you want any output in the form of true and false, then you will be going for Boolean. Next is character. Character represents a single character. For example, M, N, O, a single character like at, plus. Symbols can also be included as a character. Integer stores the positive and negative whole numbers. For example, -3, 3, 4, 35, your phone number, everything is considered to be as an integers. Float includes the positive and negative decimal numbers. For fraction, if you want to consider fraction, fraction is also considered as a float. So for example, -2.3 plus 3.3. Non-primitive data types are strings. Strings are nothing but a sequential set of characters within a quotation marks are called as strings. For example, your email ID, your name, usernames, these are all considered as a strings.